Cemented carbide. Cemented carbide shown in figure here. The carbon with 85 percentage WC and 15 percentage CO. Applications of cemented carbide. Tungsten carbide cements, CO binder, cutting tools are most common. Other wire drawing, die rock, drilling bits and other mining tool. Dies for powder metallurgy. Intended for hardness tester and titanium carbide cements, nickel binder. High temperature applications such as gas turbine, nozzle, vanes, valve, seats, thermocouple, protection tubes, stars tubes, and cutting tool for steels, chromium carbide ceramics, and gauge blades and valve liners, spray nozzle, bearing scale rings. Ceramic matrix composite. Ceramic matrix primary phase imparted with a secondary phase which usually consists of fibers. Attractive properties of ceramics: high stiffness, hardness and comprehensive strength and relatively low density. Weakness of ceramics: low toughness and bulk tensile strength, susceptible to thermal cracking. And ceramic matrix composite represents an attempt to retain the desirable properties of ceramics while compensating for their weakness. Polymer matrix composite. Next we are going to discuss polymer matrix composite material. Composites in polymer, a polymer primary phase in which a secondary phase is imparted as fiber particles or flakes. For example, most plastic molding compounds are rubber reinforced with carbon black and fiber reinforced polymers. And fiber reinforced polymers are mostly closely identified with the term composite. Then polymer matrix material. Here there are two basic categories of polymer matrix. First one is thermoplastic and then thermosetting plastics. Okay. Roughly 95% of composite market uses thermosetting plastics, and thermosetting plastics are polymerized in two ways: by adding catalytic to the resin casting to resin to cure. Basically, one must measure and mix 2 parts of the resin and apply it before the resin cures by heating the resin to its cure temperature. Polymer matrix material. The common thermosetting plastics, phenols, good electrical properties often used in circuit board application, exposes low solvent emission upon curing, low shrink rate upon polymerization, which produces a relatively residual stresses, a free bond with reinforcement. It is a matrix material that produces the highest strength and stiffness, often used in aerospace application. Polymer most commonly used resin, slightly weaker than epoxy, but about half the price producers emission when curing.